Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the young electric 2-bike rack Mate R, an impressive e-bike rack hitch designed for heavy-duty performance and ease of use. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. First up, this rack is a game changer for anyone who frequently transports e-bikes. It's built with a robust 200 pounds capacity, easily accommodating 2 bikes and making it perfect for those with heavier e-bikes. The rack features a convenient ramp, allowing you to load and unload your bikes effortlessly, no more struggling to lift your bike onto the rack. The design fits snugly into a 2-inch receiver, making it compatible with most cars, trucks, minivans, and SUVs. One of the standout features is its compatibility with up to 5-inch fat tires. This ensures that even if you have larger, bulkier tires, they'll fit comfortably on this rack. Durability is key with the young electric 2-bike rack Mate R constructed from high-quality materials. It's built to withstand heavy use and harsh weather conditions. Plus, its easy-to-use design means you can set it up quickly and securely, ensuring your bikes are safely transported without any hassle. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity bike rack that simplifies loading and fits a wide range of bikes, the young electric 2-bike rack Mate R is a top-notch choice. It's perfect for anyone needing a sturdy, user-friendly solution for transporting e-bikes and more.